Yeah, people, this is A-Wire and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm currently heading into Shibuya to meet a friend. You know, this guy is a member of the really popular band from Jamaica called No-maddz. So they had a performance in Hamamatsu for the Hamamatsu festival, and then now one of the members is in Shibuya with his wife. So I'm gonna be there shop around. So alright, on my way, run a little bit late as usual. Jamaican time, baby. So alright, let's go. Let's do this. So Birdie, how you enjoying Tokyo life?
Give thanks, man. Tokyo. Interesting place, isn't it? But you know, a lot of people. I don't know what would happen if I have 37 million Jamaicans over here. That'd be a whole different.
Boy, that'd be a whole lot of Gaza and Gully.
Yeah, man, it's cool, man. Busy. Them fashionable about them do them thing, you know? I love it. I won't live here though. You know. You know what? I like expression of people, you know. If the people can express themselves still, you know, but at the end of the day, see that, you know what I mean? The ragamuffin style is ragamuffin style, I guess they think me strange too much. So give thanks, you know. You know, I'm just embrace it. That took me a while for like decode everything, but we love that sense of order, you know. Sometimes we need that, you know, to balance it.
See, you hear from the man himself.
Yeah.
So how the sushi thing work out for you, brother?
Well, the Englishmen, they don't know, kind of different still, but I look forward to see it as a circle around, you know. Yeah, that's it.
So, press.
Toledo's. Alright.
Got me some tuna right here.
Come on, I don't understand the game, see? I don't understand the pump. Like, you and the rice apart. You and the blood clot rice apart. See, the rice. It's the difference now. Fucking rice. Stay with the rice.
So we're ordering sushi and Birdie just ordered pine. Yes.
Yo.
Come to a sushi restaurant and order pine.
Yeah, you know what I'm about. I mean, at the time without the sushi, hey. Patrick and international.
International.
I don't know if it's a 5 in Tokyo.
Go.
I love this.
It's all about the food. Right. What the best thing about the sushi restaurant?
Fine.
The best part of the sushi restaurant is the pie.
I know the sushi that I'm thinking them not good enough. But this, we there road through fireball, so you see me? Cold, a while I was still in a fire.
Yeah, so the Yokohama Mighty Crown store.
Yeah.
I go and check out some shoes. Hold on, so far then go for the bathroom.
It's a journey.
I went on an adventure. Yeah, Yokohama people, Yokohama.
We are dancing, dance cause we are free. Oh, alright, thank you. So are you your brand?
Yeah.
Or it's just a brand that they carry?
I think
My brand. So okay, oh. Okay, cool. Cool. Irie. I guess it's Irie. What's up?
Alright, so now we're in Kabukicho, which is at the red light district in Tokyo. Yeah, so tonight we'll be going to the robot cafe, gonna watch some robots get down and dirty, you know? So, this is it. This is the outside, Robot restaurant. Yeah. So, are you excited? Is there some robot porn?
I think my iPhone is more exciting.
Oh, check this out. Dude, you're walking like paradise right now, bro. You see that shit? So how you like the show so far?
Excellent show, man. It's like you walk upstairs, you walk down, you see a lot of robots and you're good. There's 20,000 in. See you again at the factory.
This is like some trippy shit, yo.
Something is it? Okay. I guess.
Something strange is going on in the sea! What's happening?
What's happening?
What is the huge ship?
Big
What
man
are you
thing.
doing?
How are
Don't
this?
pick her up! In the middle head. To pick it up.
Just finished watching the robot show. So what do you think?
I'm gonna tell this for every ghetto youth. Do not. Best part of the show. Really? So.
Well, okay. I tell you, man, that show. Like when they finish, I was just like, yes, I can leave.
And the first I'm excited to see the exercise. I was like,
The show is over, I can go home.
oh gosh.
No, man, I'm traumatized, man. I'm traumatized.
It's like you don't give up a fucking opinion. It's like you don't know that you don't like it, but you don't know.